welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn how can we create our duplicate tasks that you have created on the Asana app. So let's get started. Once you open the Asana app, you will get this page. Go to the task that you have done here, as I am just doing this, and here you can just click on the scroll down icon and you can see an option of duplicate. Click on this. Now you can also just add your project name here and click on create new project. So you can see a new project has been created here, that is duplicate of your previous task. So this is how you can just create a duplicate task of your project. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.